Here, nice garage. Another installation of the Honda CR-V audio system. So right now I'm adding Sirius satellite radio. I pulled it out of my work truck. I thought the best place to mount the antenna would be back here. I checked closure. There's a little bit of nicks in this wire, but that was because I had it mounted on my third brake light in my pickup truck. So in this vehicle, I decided to mount here. The wire from the antenna is long enough to make it all the way through this car and up into the dash. Sorry if you guys hear some wind noise. It's awfully windy here. It's about to storm. So I have a Pioneer head unit, aftermarket obviously, and I have the module that pops right in the back of the radio. But I wanted to show you guys in case you wanted to know, like, hey, where would you mount the antenna? Well, you can see I can just tuck that antenna cable all the way underneath this rubber gasket down inside here. I just tucked it down in there. It's literally right down in there, and then you can follow that all the way to the front. If you can see, I haven't finished it, but I just wanted to give you guys like a in progress type video so you can see where I'm going to mount the antenna and run the wire. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask. Thanks.